Yung walk na ito ay isang kampanya na bumisita sa mga iba't ibang mga municipalities and different towns and different cities so that we can go there and learn about how they are affected by climate change. And we also want to share with them a climate disaster resilience toolkit. At pagdating sa Tacloban, we will have the national agencies and local officials sign a commitment to craft their own local climate change action plan and this Tacloban Manifesto.